Hi students, good morning. Welcome to day 6 class. Already we discussed division and multiplication problem. Today we are going to discuss the words problem. Words problem, another name is statement problem. Words problem. Words problem. In your exercise, so many words problem is there. For example, first one I will show you. A tailor, a tailor has 18 meters of cloth. Full point. He can stitch. He can stitch 9 shirts. 9 shirts from this cloth. Find the length of cloth required to stitch one shirt. One shirt. This is the question. Dear students, you read this question 5 times. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆನು, ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೀಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. A tailor has 18 meters of cloth. Tailor has, what is the work of tailor? Tailor is the work is only stitching shirt, pant, all things match which is wearing, that only stitching this tailor only. Okay. He can stitch 9 shirts from this cloth. 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? Because of you studied in first semester, your length lesson is there. That lesson I wrote some points and also you have to solve problems. Then tell me 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? Yes, it is right. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. How much? 100 centimeters. Remember that tailor has total shirt 18 meter of cloth. He can stitch 9 shirts from this cloth. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ 18 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು 9 ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Then find the length of cloth required to stitch one shirt. Then one shirt that tailor to stitch, how much cloth should be required? That one you should find out. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ 18 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ 9 ಶರ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿತಾನ ಅವನು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? That one you should find out. Answer. First write what is given there statement. Total cloth measurement. Total cloth measurement is 18 meter. M means meter. Then total stitched shirts are 9. Then one shirt required cloth to stitch a one shirt is question mark. One shirt ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ you should write here 18 divided by 9 because 18 meter cloth and you have to divide their equally 9 parts. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 18 ಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ 9 part you should be divide equally. Then you have to do division. Divide means division only. Okay, 9s are table or 18 are not, you have to check. Sir, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18 sir. 18 is there sir. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 0 0. 2 stitch one shirt total required cloth is 2 meter only. How much meter? 2 meters only. Okay, this one write red pen question and this one write blue pen. Okay, write down fast. Okay, finish it? Yes. Now we are going to discuss second one problem. Six 6,789 divided by 3. Solve and do self verification. Yes, dear students, 6,789 divided by 3. Solve and do self verification. Yes or no? Then answer. This problem you have to solve afterwards, that is correct or not correct. You have to check self only, yourself only. First of all, you should write this type: 6,789 divided by 3. Understand? In examination also you should do this type. This is 2 marks question. Understand? Okay. Then 3s are table of 6 or not? 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Then you take 7. You take next number in below. Okay. Then 3s are table of 7 or not? You have to check it. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Sir, 7 is not there, sir. Not there means you should take the smaller number of 7. Which is the smaller number of 7 is 6. 3 2s are 6. Then 7 minus 6 1. Then again you take 8. How much it is? Some students are doing this. 1 is there only stop and 8 only they are considered. Nodri, ಇದು 1 ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, 8 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾರ. That is wrong. It is including, you have to take, it is 18. Then you have to check 3s are table of 18 or not. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Yes sir, 18 is there sir. 3 6s are 18. Then 0 0. Then you take again last number 9. 3s are table of 9 or not? 3 3s remainder, divisor, it is dividend. Yes or no? Then self verification formula. Self verification. Self verification. What is the self verification formula? You should write here. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplication quotient then plus remainder. What is the dividend? We should write as it is 6789 is equal to, what is divisor? 3. Quotient how much? 2263. Then plus remainder how much? Sir, it is 0. So you should write 0. Then 6789. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 2s are 6 plus 0 and 6789 that to 6780. Our answer should be correct because dividend equal to that sum is equal means our answer is equal. This formula never biಡ್ರಿ. Anywhere you have to go means this formula is very useful to you. Okay, solve that problem. Okay, your next problem, third one, exercise, what is that? 2.1. A bike, 25,000 for bags of cement are loaded equally into 14 railway find the number of bags in each wagon. Look at the question. One railway is there, railway bogies. You know bogie, that wagon, railway wagon. 25,404 bags of cement are loaded equally into 14 railway wagon. Wagon means bogie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 railway bogies is the just a bogies are 14 bogies are there. Then total number of cement bags 25,400 bags are there. Then that bags they are equally loaded in 14 bogies. Then find the number of bags in each wagon. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು bogie ಒಳಗ ಎಷ್ಟು cement bags ಅದಾವ that one find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 25,400 ಒಳಗ 14 equally parts ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Equally parts ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we are going to do division. Total number of bags, total number of cement bags, you should write accurately. So total number of cement bags are 25,004. Then total number of We don't know that one means question mark. Then right here 2000 25,004 divided by 14. 14 is the table of 25. 14 was the 14. 14 to the 28. Not 25 is there. 1 is the 14. Then it is 0. Yes. Then 14 the table of 110 or not. I have to check it. 14 is the how much? I have to check. Seven it is 98. 98 7 98 10 2 0 1 you take it is 11. Yes, it is 0, it is 1, again you take 0 120 it is, then 8 112, it is 8 0 0, then you take again 84, yes, 14 6 the 84 0 0, and each therefore each railway wagon has total cement bags are 1786 bags are in one railway bogie has. Remember, write this question red pen, this one blue pen, and below of the write this one division problem. Write down fast. Yes, next one problem. Fourth one. Mr. Sridhar purchased 11 toys of same price for rupees 946 from a toy shop. Find the cost of each toy. This is the question. Mr. Sridhar purchased 11 toys of same price for rupees 946 from a toy shop. Find the cost of each toy. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಅನ್ನವ ಒಂದು ಟಾಯ್ ಶಾಪ್ he went to one toy shop and he purchased 11 toys and given total amount 946. He given 946 and number of toys 11 only. Then cost of one toy how much would be? Then you have to find out. Answer: the total cost of 11 toys are rupees 946 the number of total toys are 11. Then we have to do it here. Equally divide 946 divided by 11. 11 8s are 88. 14 minus 8. 6 0. 11 6 are 66. Then one toy cost is 86. The one toy cost is rupees 86 only. I hope all of you understand the word problems. ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದವು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ remaining only there some problems are there. You have to solve own because what is questions are there. First one. Second one I solved, third one also solved, fourth one also solved, and remaining fifth one is there. The annual income of person is 90,912. Find his monthly income. ಒಂದು ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 90,912 ರೂಪೀಸನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನದು ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ 1 year have how many month? 12 month. Then you have to divide there 12. Then your answer should be available. Then sixth, a car manufacturing company manufactures 14,820 cars in a 13 months. Find the number of cars manufactured in 1 month. There total number of cars and total number of months you have to divide. Your answer should be available. Okay. Then we are going to discuss last one problem. Then I will complete the class. Solve. This is your last problem. Okay. Remember to not understand. You should look at here. 78,488 divided by 9. 9 the table of 78 are not. You have to check it. 9 on the 9, 9. 4 the 36. 9 8 is 72. Then 8 2 6 0. Then we take 64. 9 the table of 64 are not. 7 9 the 9 7 the 63. 1 0. Then we take 18. 9 2 the 18. 0 0. You take 8, then you have 0. Then it is completed. Then you have to check what is that. 9 no 8,720 multiplication 9 plus 8. Our answer should be is there or 9 0 0, 9 2 18. 9 to the 18, 64, 78 plus 8, then 7, 8, 4, 8, 8. Because one thing is, remember in your mind, last digit number ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು, then you have to do here 1 0. Remember it, okay? Thank you. And I hope all of you solved this all problems, and you have to send to app or WhatsApp. It is very important all of you do your work that day only, because yesterday I given this homework only, because Roman number 1, 2, 3 and 4 I given, you have to solve and send. And today is this one, I already solved first one, second, third and fourth. Only 5 and 6 is there, you have to solve and send it, okay? That problem you have to write down.